Hi there, welcome to Chef Nico's Kitchen. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to prepare and serve the perfect penne pasta with chicken bites in a light spicy tomato sauce. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of this video if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of our upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Start this easy recipe by dicing the tomato and roughly chop the garlic and set aside. Cut off the skin and the excess fat of the chicken breasts, if any. Rinse under cold running water and pat dry with paper towels. Then, cut into bite-sized pieces. Bring a large pot of water about 2/3 full to a boil. Once to a boil, salt it and cook the pasta according to package directions. Meanwhile, heat the olive oil in a large pan or heavy-bottomed pot. Add the chicken bites and cook for 5 to 6 minutes over medium heat or until cooked to your liking. After 5 to 6 minutes, stir in the chopped tomatoes and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the garlic and cook for 30 to 45 more seconds. Next, deglaze with the dry white wine, optional, or chicken stock, or pasta water, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the alcohol evaporates. Add the tomato sauce, the pesto sauce, a chili pepper, or a pinch of crushed red hot peppers, and season to taste with salt and black pepper, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the sauce thickens a bit. Once the pasta is cooked, drain, and reserve a couple of cups of pasta water before draining. Add the cooked pasta and toss well to cover in sauce. Add a splash of the reserved pasta water if it looks too thick. Add the grated Parmesan and fresh parsley, stir to combine, then season to taste, and serve immediately. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming video recipes. Thank you for watching.